I love junk journals. Hi, my name is Sheila and today we are going to create beautiful bee cottagecor pages. Level Intermediate, Rule Applied, Handwritten Text. I invite you to visit my link in the description and my prompt-based store. Let's get started with the formula. Important tips, including text, handwriting, signatures, or symbols in the background really helps create that authentic junk journal look. So in addition to a worn or aged background, try adding some text as well. Let's see the formula. Replace the variable subject enclosed in brackets with the noun you desire, for example, cottagecor cabin. And you're all set. The results are rustic, and the atmosphere is peaceful, warm, and reflective. This prompt is available on my prompt base, Patreon, and my .prompt store. You can use it to create more arts like these ones. I invite you to check the links in the description and explore my unlimited pro plan on Patreon, where you'll find super original clip art, junk journals, seamless patterns, and much more. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your family and friends, and please subscribe. Bye! Until the next video.